Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Coding with Code.org course. My name is Anushya Shankar and this is our introduction video. So what is Code.org? Well, Code.org is a website that uses block-based programming. It introduces fundamental programming concepts through fun puzzles, projects, and more that are great for beginner learners. Overall, it underscores the principles of computer science, with an emphasis on problem solving and having fun. Every week, I will be adding new lessons on the Aveti Learning website. These will include videos and exercises such as quizzes and programs. As we get to longer-term projects, I may ask you to complete certain sections of code or submit screenshots. Every Sunday, there will be a live session at 8 a.m. Indian Standard Time. This will serve as a time for us to review what you all did over the week, demonstrate some of the code, and answer any questions. There will also be a Google form on the Aveti Learning website for questions on the course. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you this Sunday for our very first live session.